Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Dehumidifier pad set from Ultimate Speed prevents foggy windows, 2 pieces included inside 500 grams each, protects against mold, mildew, condensation, odors and mildew stains. Versatile use, ideal for the home, car, workshop, caravan, boats, storage rooms, archives, cellars or garden seats. Definitely I would like to test that. So let's open the box, find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual, seal it very well. Same in here. Made from natural granules, gentle on the environment. Also protects electronic devices and clothing against moisture. 500 grams as I mentioned. So time will tell. I will try it in my car and in my storage room that is small and check the results after a few days. Thanks for watching and as always, stay dry, stay fresh and I'll see you in the next video.